Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Kenco 3-ton punch press, 1-inch stroke, 115 volt, 230 volt single phase. Has palm buttons. Nice condition machine. Sunlight in here keeps interfering, but we'll do our best. Gotta hit them evenly or it doesn't cycle, but one button don't work, so the buttons work fine. Getting harder to find these little presses in good shape. It's pretty safe. It's mechanical clutch because everything's enclosed. Can't get your hand near the wheel or the guards. Like I said, palm buttons. Looks like there's a part counter or something on there. Real nice little press. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.